Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in for FaceTime in Settings. Make sure FaceTime is enabled, and cellular data is allowed if you plan to call on the go. Next, open the FaceTime app or jump straight from the Phone or Contacts app by tapping the video icon next to a contact. Once done, choose Audio or Video, and if you prefer Picture-in-Picture later, leave the call button visible so you can minimize without dropping the connection. Pick the person you want to call and tap Video FaceTime to start a video chat. If you prefer voice only, choose audio. To add participants, swipe up during a call and tap Add Person to include more people in a group FaceTime. Make sure to use the camera flip button to switch between front and rear cameras, the mute button if you need privacy, and effects to add memoji or filters. These tools help you control the call experience and present yourself the way. When you're finished, tap the red end button to leave the call. If you want to watch or listen together, use SharePlay before ending to sync media. If video or audio quality drops, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or switch networks. Toggling airplane mode off and on can quickly reset connections. If FaceTime still fails, sign out and back into your Apple ID or restart the iPhone. These steps resolve most account and software glitches and get you back to clear calls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.